This is a 1996 Ford Crown Victoria EVOC police vehicle. I bought her from a police auction. These vehicles are never sold to the public, so I'm very lucky to have her. I'm gonna show you guys why she's so special. I'm gonna fully search her and show you everything she came with. And of course, we're gonna put her to the test. Let's go. Here it is, guys. EVOC police training, super rare car. Usually they destroy these cars rather than sell it to the public because supposedly all this stuff is a hazard. So let's go ahead and try to get her started. What?
Yeah, look, they're building up right there. They did not like that. I just opened the door too.
Go get rid of them. I'm gonna go get the beast spray. I got bit. My arm is still sore 3 weeks after I got bit.
I'm ready. It's round two. This time we're ready for chemical warfare. I do feel bad for them. It's either us or them. They gotta go. Plus I heard they're associated with the funny man. They're loyalist wasp.
One right there.
Woo. What? It won't start?
Hope there's no wasp.
They're still there. Another wasp nest. Sorry, buddy. Oh, well, first of all, there's no battery. I don't think there's any juice in this thing. Look at that's shit. All rat poop. And look over here. There's a rat nest.
A little den.
See that? That's where the little babies grow.
Look at the wires.
Oh!
Look at the wires right here.
Stupid rats. That is gonna suck.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, guys. We might have to get ready for a car fire.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
I think we're gonna have to get ready for a car fire today.
It happens, it happens. Good, good. We should have an extinguisher.
It's okay, we have a fire truck. It turns! Ooh. Ooh. Come on, baby! Yeah!
Oh, oh! It's alive! Cooking up rat What's there,
rat cocktail.
It's flying everywhere, yeah. Now that it's running, we gotta pump some air into this mother effort.
Oh, she moves. On way to paint shop. That's bullshit right there. 2 years later, it's just now coming out of the spot. Look, it's been in that spot for 2 years. Next, we gotta work on that.
Fire's coming out of it. Gonna run for it.
So the wheel was too messed up, so I swapped it from a parts Crown Vic that I have.
This is what happens when you get lazy. Oh, I got it.
Not really necessary.
OSHA said.
I give these guys too much leeway.
It's not even our forklift.
No.
Side shot. Don't get hit.
Let's not mess up the wheel before we get it on.
Órale, vato! Hit some switches on that thing, is it?
Hey, what the hell? Oh, hell nah. Oh, shit.
Okay, so let's start the search. Look at this crazy looking push bumper.
But look, they got it straight hooked onto the frame. Look at that, all the way over there. It's welded on there. Holy smokes.
So much more metal welded onto the frame.
Look at all these dents too.
This poor thing can really benefit from a serious paint job, which I'm going to do, of course. I'm gonna fully restore her. It looks like she was Frankenstein here at one point. There's different doors, different side mirrors, different parts.
If we blew out a back tire, how are we gonna change the tire? We can't, this thing's in the way. See that?
Okay. No,
I think they put the tires and then they added this.
No, once you loosen it, they probably pull the bottom out first and then the top comes up.
And we can't even open the back doors. Yeah. I am gonna Mad Max this vehicle out. It's gonna be like matte black. I'm not sure if I'm gonna fix the dents. Now look, it's got the button thing. Okay.
All right, let's take a quick look inside. It is super dirty and dusty in here, and I do not need to tell you, but it smells like a rat's ass.
There's a fork here. Look at these bars going around everywhere. This is in case flip over or something. M&R. Nice roll cage going into the dash right there. Wow, this is something. And then there's these 5-point restraints. Oh, look at this. What is this? Oh, there's another one. We should try to light these up. Go and snip them so we could test them out real quick.
Ooh, look at the pretty colors.
What is in here? I don't know what the hell that is. I have no idea. And what the heck is this? Bro, these ballistic pants, look how heavy these are. I don't think you could even lift that.
Oh shit, I know what these are. These are skid plates.
Skid plates?
Skid plates.
No way.
NIJ level 3 ballistic panel for passenger side.
Oh, wow.
How do you get them in the door though?
Probably what these are for.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. What? Let's get this one out. This is probably why this whole back thing is sagging. That is so strange. Who does?
Some people take things, some people leave stuff behind.
Yeah.
Don't ask questions.
Yeah, I'm not gonna ask when it's a good thing.
Oh shit, look.
Oh, sweet mother goodness. First aid kit for 50 people. Damn. Emergency foot powder. You never a triple action relief shave foam. Actually, wouldn't mind using some of that. Let's put some. Sick. Look at this bar that goes right here. Ooh. Check it out. This bad girl has only 22,000 miles. No wonder the engine sounds amazing. Like she's car number 2. Looks like a radio went right here. Kidney beans, you never know when you're gonna go hungry, right? Expires August 2020. These are supposed to be good for like what, 10 years in here? You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna throw together a mystery box with all these items that I find in here. And you can win that mystery box at the end of the video. I'll show you how. Oh, what is this? Rubber biscuit. So that makes sense. A training gun for a training vehicle. Get on the ground, you piece. Oh, what the hell? No. Duffus. Pow, pow, pow. It's got a magazine, not a clip. There's a difference between a clip and a magazine. It's got a fake bullet. Ooh, it's like a spent real bullet. Pretty cool. Something to add to the mystery box. Training gun. Don't get yourself hurt with this thing though. For their little training exercises or whatever, I think. Look, it's who goes where. This piece of shit. Somebody was shooting off in the back. I found the original key. Marker spray. Safety through quality. M&R. Oh, this thing is gonna need some serious cleaning. You could flip over in this thing and have no problem. Oh yeah, now it can match.
You missed a spot.
She's gonna get cleaned up. Look how nasty and dirty she is.
Hey, who do you think you are, Holmes? I'm a dip.
So we ended up taking her to a local car wash. On the way, the car drove excellent. The engine was strong, the transmission was smooth, the shocks were a little bouncy, but that's expected with all this extra weight. The air conditioner was not working. We kept the windows down. It helped with the nasty rat smell.
Oh, bro, that ain't dust, that's rat shit.
Nice.
Overall, I'm very happy with this car. I ended up paying about $1,200 for her, and that was about 2 years ago. Ooh, look at her now. She is nice and shiny inside and out. And the nasty rat smell is 80% gone.
Look at that, she starts right up. She sounds so sweet. We're doing some surveillance on the funny man. It looks like he's cooking some type of steak in an oven. And he's got his gate closed, so we're gonna go ahead and ram We're gonna go ahead and raid his little compound. Oh no. Oh, we just washed this thing. Ready, set, go! Damn! Buddy. All right, guys, so we set this thing up right here. We're gonna test out the Loyalist Eliminator. Is supposed to be coming in at full speed. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh no! Oh no! Hey, nothing can stop the Loyalist Eliminator. I can't see squat. Oh, I can't breathe. Look, the grill is gone.
I hit that bitch hard.
Oh, guys, hit that like button. I can't, my mouth is so dry, so much dust, so much rat poop, so much, so if you guys like videos like this, hit that like button. We're gonna make a part 2 where we rebuilt that whole thing and turned it into a Mad Max Ram vehicle. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.